What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about how to clean up rubber flooring to make it go from this to this. Holy crap! The dude has the 10-foot skeleton. That's amazing. All right, so to get started with all this is what you're going to need right here. So starting off with the product, I use the Adams Rubber Liner Cleaner. This stuff is fantastic, but honestly, you can use whatever you want. This is just what I prefer. I put it in a pump sprayer because it's going to be a lot easier to spray it right onto the rubber, and then go ahead and use your drill brush on it. Obviously, any drill is fine. They all pretty much do the same thing. Definitely want to get battery powered though. And then for your drill brush, I'll put this in the link in the description. The main thing you need to remember about these drill brushes is that they're made out of plastic. The reason I say that's important is because this plastic can rub against the trim inside the truck, which can scratch it up, which you really do not want to do to somebody else's vehicle. So what I do to get in all those cracks and crevices is I grab a brush and you go into all the hard to reach spots that the drill can't reach. Next is going to be a stack of microfiber towels. You're going to need this. After you vacuum everything up, you're going to wipe it up with this. Then speaking of vacuum, I have my Ridgid Wet Dry 4-gallon vacuum here. That is probably the detailer statement vacuum. It's very good. It's small. It fits in my car nice. It's a vacuum. Then after getting together all your products and tools, all you gotta do is find your will to live and then start hitting this rubber floor. All right, so the first step of getting these floors looking pristine is to pick up your Ridgid 4-gallon wet dry vacuum. You're gonna wanna go ahead and vacuum up all that loose dirt, these leaves, everything, get all that out of here, and then we can move on to the next step. All right, so the next step after vacuuming is get your rubber liner cleaner and your drill brush, pump up your pump sprayer, and then lather up the floor. Be generous. Like, seriously, be generous. This is why I said pump sprayer. Next, get your drill and agitate it. What you want to do is do vertical passes and then switch and do horizontal passes, but you want to be pretty consistent with going over all of the product. You really do not want to miss any spots. You really can't be lazy with this step because you got to get this chemical working to rip this dirt out of this rubber. When you're using the drill brush, make sure to be careful of plastics like this, This drill brush can hit this plastic and leave a big mark on it. So you want to stay away from that plastic when you're using this drill brush. Another quick tip is you don't want to just slam this drill down and then go full speed on all this chemical because it's going to just fly everywhere. It's not smart. Just don't do that. Next, after you got all the spots that you can hit with your drill brush, grab out your second brush, the little brush, just go over all these cracks. Make sure to get into every crack and crevice so the whole floor looks evenly cleaned. And don't forget to hit underneath the seat. All right, now that you got the whole floor foamed up, you're gonna wanna vacuum all this up. That's why I said wet dry vacuum, because this is wet and you need a wet dry vacuum. You could really damage your vacuum if you suck this up if it's only a dry vacuum. You don't wanna be whipping out your Dyson and then sucking up all this foam and destroying it. All right, now that you sucked up all the foam with your vacuum, go ahead, get your microfiber towel and wipe it all up. All right, and that's pretty much the extent of that. Super easy to do. Probably took me about 5 minutes to get it done. It really is super efficient, and it's a really good way to get your work truck looking really nice for your next job. All right, guys, but other than that, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. I gotta go say what's up to the skeleton.